Hey there, future cyber sleuths. Ever wondered what it takes to be an ethical hacker? Well, grab your detective hats because I'm about to take you on a fun ride into the world of ethical hacking. So, what's ethical hacking? Imagine you're a superhero, but instead of capes and tights, you've got keyboards and codes. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, dig into computer systems to find and fix security vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. Think of it as a digital game of cat and mouse. Now, how do you get started? First, you need some solid computer skills. Ever built a computer or coded a simple program? Great, you're already on your way. If not, hey, there's no time like the present. Dive into online courses or YouTube tutorials to get the basics down. Next up, get comfortable with networking. No, not the kind where you awkwardly chat at parties. I'm talking about understanding how computers talk to each other. Learn about IP addresses, protocols, and how data travels through the internet. Trust me, it's cooler than it sounds. Once you've got the basics, it's time for some hands-on practice. Set up a lab environment using virtual machines. It's like creating your own playground where you can hack without breaking any laws. Websites like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me offer challenges that will test your skills and keep you on your toes. And don't forget to stay legal, folks. Always get permission before hacking anything. The last thing you want is to end up on the wrong side of the law. So there you have it, the basics of becoming an ethical hacker. It's a thrilling, ever-evolving field that's perfect for those who love a good challenge. Ready to start your adventure? Happy hacking, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.